Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza has pleaded not guilty to all the charges leveled against her by the members of County Assembly in her ongoing impeachment case at the Senate. The governor is facing 7 charges, including misappropriation of county funds, creating posts without the approval of the MCAs, illegally naming a road after her husband, and sending relatives to China to assess cancer treatment equipment without their approval. The hearing is happening through a Senate plenary, meaning that all the 47 senators will vote on each of the charges. In the case that the plenary will uphold the charges, then Governor Mwangaza will stand impeached. But if the charges will be dismissed, then she will have survived.
The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, how do you plead to the 7 charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
The impeachment motion before you is the third one in barely a year presented before the Assembly against the Honorable Governor Kawira Mwangaza. The first impeachment motion was presented before the Assembly on 22nd of November 2022. It did not reach the Senate because the High Court issued an order preventing the MCAs from debating it. The second one was filed on the 5th of December, and it was brought before this Assembly. It contained, Mr. Speaker, 62 charges of nepotism, illegal appointments, usurpation of the constitutional and statutory functions of county organs. It contained allegations on incitement, bullying and vilification of other leaders, a matter now still before you. It revolved around disrespect to the Assembly through forceful entry and mobilization of riots against the Assembly, a matter now before you in different particulars. It involved violation of public finance management laws, again a matter before you, only the facts have changed, the fundamental problem remaining. And then, of course, that motion came here and it did not succeed. Notably, Mr. Speaker, when we came, the governor took the posture of an innocent and vulnerable victim of toxic masculinity, harmful patriarchy, gender stereotyping, gender discrimination, and political machinations. And in short, the governor took the posture that if something went wrong in Meru, as we submit, something has been terribly wrong in Meru for a year now and counting, our defense was, it wasn't me.